In this video, I will show you how to tips for abstract halftone gradient background design in Adobe Illustrator. Go to Rectangular tool, draw the shape. Go to Line tool, draw the line. Choose this color. Go to Stroke Settings. Follow these settings. Go to Align. Align to Artboard. Select the horizontal align. Now we'll press Alt to make a copy of it. We'll press Ctrl D to make more copies of it. Now we will select all the lines and group them by right-clicking. Select the horizontal align center. Go to Effect. Wrap and choose Shall Upper. Follow these settings and press OK. Follow the process. Go to Rectangular tool. Draw the shape. Select the All Shapes. Right-click and choose Clipping Mask. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.